Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2007 Yamaha V-Star Midnight Custom. This is a 650 V-twin lightweight cruiser. Got a couple of neat features. It's got a flashing headlamp for safety on the road. It also has a beautiful sounding Vance Hines Exhaust. I'll fire that up for you in a minute. It's got some guards there so you can put some saddlebags on. Luggage rack, backrest for your passenger. We've just run it through the shop. This bike is in excellent condition. It's shaft drive, so you don't have any chain maintenance. It would be great for a tall person because the front floorboards have been extended forward about 6 inches. Just 11,156 miles, only $49.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports for this Midnight Custom. That's the blacked out version, black frame, black engine. Excellent condition, new tires front and rear. Come by, make your lightweight cruiser dreams come true for just $49.99. Let me fire it up so you can see how she sounds. Come by, check it out. V-Star Midnight Custom 650cc V-twin, just $49.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. Thank you.